Our species has gazed at the stars for millennia. From ancient civilizations mapping the constellations to modern astronomers peering through powerful telescopes, the night sky has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. We've wondered about our place in the universe. Are we alone, or is there life out there among the stars? These questions have driven us to explore, to seek out new frontiers, and to push the boundaries of what we know. We've dreamt of reaching beyond Earth. The idea of traveling to other planets, of setting foot on alien worlds, has been a powerful motivator for scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike. Today, that dream is closer than ever. With each successful mission, with each new discovery, we inch closer to making interplanetary travel a reality. Mars, the red planet, has captured our imaginations. Its stark, desolate beauty and its potential for harboring life make it a tantalizing target for exploration. It holds the promise of adventure, discovery, and even a second home for humankind. The idea of building a colony on Mars, of creating a new world where humans can thrive, is no longer just science fiction. For decades, science fiction has painted vivid pictures of life on Mars. From classic novels to blockbuster movies, these stories have fueled our imaginations and inspired generations of scientists and explorers. Now, science fact is catching up. With each rover that lands, with each sample that is analyzed, we learn more about this enigmatic planet. Missions to Mars have revealed a planet that is both familiar and strange. Its landscapes, while reminiscent of deserts on Earth, are unlike anything we've ever seen. It has polar ice caps, canyons, and volcanoes. These features hint at a dynamic past, one that may have included conditions suitable for life. Evidence suggests that water once flowed on its surface. Ancient riverbeds and lake beds tell a story of a planet that was once much wetter and possibly warmer. This tantalizing hint of a watery past makes Mars the most likely candidate for life beyond Earth. If life ever existed there, it could provide clues to the origins of life in our own solar system. It also makes it a prime target for human exploration and perhaps one day, colonization. The challenges are immense, but the potential rewards are even greater. As we push the boundaries of technology and space exploration, Mars stands as a beacon, urging us onward. The innovations we develop for Mars missions will have far-reaching impacts, not just for space travel, but for life on Earth as well. The journey to Mars will be long and challenging. It will test our ingenuity, our resilience, and our determination. But the rewards are immeasurable. The successful establishment of a human presence on Mars would be one of the greatest achievements in the history of our species. It is a journey that will test our limits, inspire generations, and redefine our place in the cosmos. The Red Planet beckons, and we are ready to answer the call. Why Mars? What makes this seemingly barren and desolate planet so intriguing to scientists and explorers alike? Why not Venus or another planet in our solar system? Venus, with its thick, toxic atmosphere and extreme surface temperatures, seems less hospitable. The answer lies in the unique characteristics of the red planet. Mars offers a combination of features that make it a compelling destination for exploration. While Venus is scorching hot and shrouded in toxic clouds, Mars is relatively hospitable. Its surface conditions, though harsh, are more manageable compared to Venus. Mars is often called Earth's sister planet for a reason. It shares several similarities with our home planet, making it a fascinating subject of study. It has a similar day-night cycle to Earth, rotating on its axis every 24.6 hours. This similarity in rotation period means that a day on Mars, known as a sol, is just slightly longer than a day on Earth. It even has seasons, though they are twice as long as Earth's due to its longer orbit around the Sun. These extended seasons create a dynamic environment that changes over the course of a Martian year. However, Mars is not a perfect replica of Earth. Despite its similarities, there are significant differences that pose challenges for human exploration and potential colonization. Its atmosphere is thin, composed mainly of carbon dioxide. This thin atmosphere means that the air pressure on Mars is less than 1% of Earth's, making it impossible for humans to breathe without assistance. This thin atmosphere provides little protection from the sun's radiation. Without a magnetic field like Earth's, Mars is bombarded by cosmic rays and solar radiation, posing a risk to any potential settlers. Temperatures on Mars are extreme, plunging far below freezing at night and rarely rising above 0 degrees Celsius during the day. These frigid conditions make survival on the surface a significant challenge. Despite these challenges, Mars remains the most promising location for human settlement beyond Earth. Its potential for scientific discovery and the possibility of finding resources make it an attractive target. Its similarities to our planet, coupled with the potential for resources like water ice, make it an attractive target for exploration and colonization. The presence of water ice could be crucial for sustaining human life and supporting long-term missions. The journey to Mars is already underway. For decades, robotic explorers have been paving the way. NASA's rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, have sent back breathtaking images and valuable data. They've analyzed Martian soil, searched for signs of ancient life, and even tested technologies for future human missions. Private companies like Elon Musk's SpaceX have also entered the Martian arena. SpaceX has developed powerful rockets and spacecraft with the ultimate goal of establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. Their ambitious plans include building a self-sustaining city on the Red Planet. These missions, both public and private, are pushing the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity. Each successful mission brings us one step closer to our Martian dreams. Reaching Mars is no easy feat. The journey itself is long and perilous. Astronauts will face challenges like cosmic radiation, prolonged exposure to microgravity, and the psychological stresses of confined space travel. The distance between Earth and Mars varies depending on their orbits. At their closest, they are about 55 million kilometers apart. Even at this distance, a one-way trip to Mars would take around 7 months using current technology. Once on Mars, the challenges continue. The thin atmosphere offers little protection. The lack of readily available resources means that early Martian settlers will need to be resourceful and self-sufficient. They will need to generate their own power, grow their own food, and recycle everything. Section 5. Building a home, brick by red brick. Despite these obstacles, scientists and engineers are developing innovative solutions. One key challenge is creating a habitable environment for humans. This includes developing life support systems that can produce breathable air, clean water, and comfortable temperatures. Another challenge is producing food on a planet with no arable land. Scientists are experimenting with hydroponics and aeroponics, growing plants without soil, to address this issue. These techniques have the potential to provide a sustainable food source for Martian colonists. Radiation protection is also crucial. One solution is to build habitats underground or within existing Martian caves, which would provide natural shielding from the sun's harmful rays. Section 6. Life on Mars, a giant leap for humankind. The prospect of life on Mars is one of the most exciting aspects of exploration. While current missions haven't found definitive proof of past or present life, the evidence suggests that Mars may have once been habitable. If life did exist on Mars, even in microbial form, it would have profound implications for our understanding of life in the universe. Discovering life beyond Earth would answer one of humanity's most fundamental questions: are we alone? It would revolutionize our understanding of biology, evolution, and our place in the cosmos. Even if Mars proves to be barren of life, the search itself is invaluable. It pushes the boundaries of science, technology, and our understanding of the universe we inhabit. Section 7. The Red Planet, a hub for cosmic discovery. Beyond the search for life, Mars holds immense scientific value. Its geological formations, ancient riverbeds, and polar ice caps hold clues to the planet's past climate and evolution. By studying Mars, we can gain a better understanding of Earth's own history and the processes that shape planets over billions of years. Mars could also serve as a stepping stone for further exploration of our solar system. Its proximity to the asteroid belt makes it an ideal base for mining resources and launching missions deeper into space. The knowledge and resources gained from Mars exploration could have far-reaching benefits for humanity, advancing our understanding of the universe and potentially providing solutions to challenges here on Earth. Section 8. A future painted red. The journey to Mars is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that resides within us. It represents our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our desire to conquer the unknown. Each step taken towards Mars is a leap for humanity, driven by the collective dream of reaching beyond our home planet. It is a journey fueled by curiosity, ingenuity, and the desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. Scientists and engineers work tirelessly, innovating and overcoming obstacles, while astronauts train rigorously, preparing for the challenges that lie ahead. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Establishing a human settlement on Mars would not only be a monumental achievement but also a beacon of hope and inspiration for future generations. Establishing a human presence on Mars would be a defining moment in human history. It would signify our ability to adapt, survive, and thrive in an environment vastly different from Earth. It would mark the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery, one that could lead to a future where humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. The Red Planet beckons, inviting us to explore its mysteries and unlock its secrets. It is a symbol of our ambition, our ingenuity, and our endless capacity for wonder. The sight of a Mars rover traversing the alien landscape or a spacecraft orbiting the planet fills us with awe and excitement. As we venture further into the cosmos, Mars stands as a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. It reminds us that no dream is too big, no frontier too distant, and no challenge insurmountable.